So I just wanted to show you this pattern that the market was consolidating in this area, and as you can see the breakout from this all this zone here. So it's very um, important to know how to trade these consolidation areas, because the market will try and make you believe that they're gonna go higher or something like that, but in reality they just making the bouncing from trend line to
Sweet.
trend line, from support and resistance. As you can see over here, that perpendicular lines just making these triangle shapes and everything. So market is just not doing nothing. So I discovered the breakout because I saw this push with correlation to the upside and a
Sweet.
big volume. So I said, no, these guys, this is the time they're going up. So you start with a two lot, maybe a two lot. If you see that the market is going higher, for example, I saw this resistance and the market turn around like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 bars, but I didn't see volume expansion, neither correlation. So the story tells me that there's no conviction to the downside anymore. So I see the market reverses and makes another push with correlation. So this is a heads up. You see tape momentum to the upside, so you got to be aware of that. So the patterns draw every day. You just need to be patient and try to trade the best way you can, and watch for everything you need to watch: support, resistance, and the best trades out of these consolidations. When you see the market is just bouncing, 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 you're gonna see where the market is just gonna explode to somewhere, to the downside, either to the upside. You can trade this way. Many ways to trade it. So you can wait for the pullback. Let the market just push it, the pros, and the deep pockets, because these guys can support a drawdown, even though they have big pockets. But us as retail traders, we need to take care of what our money, and if you're trading a combine, you have drawdowns and everything. So it's no problem if you get stopped out. Just continue. Okay, so just let's see if the market continues up and do a re-enter. Okay, don't go big, always go small, and you know make put more money as you go into the market, so that way you can just control your risk and not lose too much money, especially the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq can go 100 ticks in a blink of an eye. So, well, I just wanted to share this with you guys. So that the market, there's patterns that you can trade every day. So just need to wait. If you're a patient trader, you're really gonna make it in this market. But you need a good system that can deliver all this information to you. If you are using archaic systems, MACDs and all that things that are a waste of time. This is a complete
Sweet.
system. It got support, resistance, and volume expansion, correlation, and I really um, push you to buy this system, because if you want to fast forward learn, this is the only way that you're gonna learn. If you're new to trading, and there's a lot of stuff out there, based on MACDs and trend lines and SMAs and everything, and you need to follow volume and correlation. Okay, so as you can see here, we are just using slaves indicators. For example, the Bidaskmultimarket correlation is using the ES, which is the major indices, and the YM and the mini Nasdaq as a slave, and we're looking at a 1.5 ratio with a volume filter of 100. So in the time and sales, we are looking at the micro ES volume, the YM volume, and the MYM volume. So we have all this volume funneled into this
Sweet.
indicator, as you can see here. That's why you say, because the Nasdaq has too much volume. No, it's because we're funneling a lot of volume from other instruments. So if you see these blue lines are telling you the market is is having lots of momentum. So that way you can do the
Target filled.
trade that you want to do. So that way you see momentum. Well, you use momentum. Okay, if it's red, there is momentum. Okay, the time and sales is red and the sellers are in control. Okay, or it's just a mere pullback. So that way you see it's magenta is because the time and sales is almost 100% red. So that's profit taking. Okay, so if you should enter this trade, you're already 20 ticks in profit. Okay, so I hope that helps, and if you need anything, just let me know. Everything is in the description of the video. If you want to contact me, just send me an email. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.